today I'm going to act as a student and you people are the teachers. I'm so happy. So Viraj is going to start today. Come on, Viraj.
My name is Viraj. I am going to start the BFG, the chapter 4, the snatch. Under the blanket, Sophie waited. Sophie waited under the blanket. After a minute or so, she lifted a corner of the blanket and peeped out. After one minute, she lifted.
What she has lifted?
A corner.
A corner of the
blanket and peeped out.
Peeped. What is the meaning of peeped? Viraj, I don't know. Come on. What is she doing? Peeped means what, beta?
Looking out slowly.
Okay.
For the second time that night, her blood froze to ice and she wanted to scream, but no sound came out. So her blood froze to ice.
Why? Why? What is the reason?
Because she wanted to scream, but no sound came out.
Okay. And she saw BFG. That's the reason, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Come on, continue.
There at the window with the curtains pushed aside was the enormous, long, pale, wrinkly face of giant person staring it. At the window with the curtains pushed aside was the enormous, long, pale, and the winkling face of the
giant
person.
Yes, of the giant person. Is that person normal like we? How we are looking? He's like that only?
No.
How many times taller and bigger he is?
4 times taller.
Okay, fine.
The flashing black eyes were fixed on Sophie's bed.
Very good.
Flashing black eyes were fixed on Sophie's bed.
Okay. Flashing black eyes. What is the meaning of flashing black eyes?
Means very black eyes.
Flashing means like staring at Sophie, continuously staring at Sophie. Okay. So next, I think Huria, right? Yes.
I'm muting myself, ma'am.
Yeah, yes. Very good, Viraj. Well done. Yes, Huria.
Good morning. My name is Huria Batul. I'm from grade 4 and today I'm here to tell you the chapter 3, the snatch.
Okay.
At the moment when Sophie went to her bed, the BFG from the window moved his hand towards Sophie and touched her. And Sophie wanted to scream and she screamed just for a second. But the bedclothes were too tight to her that the voice just stuck over there. Then the BFG's hands were as thin as the tree's trunk. Then the BFG lifted Sophie from her bed with her blanket and whisked from the window.
Very good. Very good. Good. Whose turn now? Raise hand. Whose turn now?
It's like they were going very fast. They were going very fast over the moonlit fields. the hedges dividing the fields were no problem to the giant. The
Okay.
hedges dividing the field means like the walls dividing the field.
Hmm.
No problem for the giant.
Hmm.
He simply strode over them. Means he just jumped over them. Means like walked over them.
Okay.
A wide river appeared in his path.
Hmm.
A wide river was in his path. He crossed it in one flying stride. Means he was with his cape and all his cloak.
Hmm.
He just went over the river.
Okay.
That's it, ma'am.
Good. So next page, who's that? The cave. Page number 12. Who's that? Raise hand. Sanvi. Okay. Good, Sanvi. Yes, beta.
The green ran and ran on. Means he's running fast and fast. But now, curious change took place in his way of running. He steamed suddenly to go into a hiker green.
1 second, beta. Sanvi. 1 second. Yes, Ashish.
Ma'am, 11th page number second one. I am Sophie crouched in a blanket, peering out. She was being bumped against the giant's leg like a sack of potatoes. Over the fields and edges and rivers. They went off, and after a while, a frightening
A threatening thought.
thought into Sophie's head. The
Hmm.
giant is running fast, she told herself, because he is hungry and he wants to get home as quickly as possible, and then he will have me for breakfast.
Explain. Explain.
Ma'am, can I start first?
Yes,
From
beta.
first?
Start.
The green ran and ran, but now Curvus change took place in his of running. Means the killer takes place when he's running. He steams suddenly to go into a hiker green faster and faster. He went and soon he was traveling. He's traveling at such a speed that the land space become blurred. The wind stung Sophie's cheeks. The wind
Hmm.
it made her eyes water.
It made her eyes water. Okay. So you are just reading, Sanvi. You have to explain it also. Come on. Do it.
The strong wind
Hmm.
went to the Sophie's eyes, and water is coming
His
from his
eyes or
eyes.
her eyes?
From her eyes, her eyes,
Okay.
and it whipped her
Huh?
head. The,
Hmm.
wind, the wind whipped her head.
Whipped. Don't say whipped. It's whipped. Or what? Yes. Tell me.
Whipped her head back and
What is the spelling you have read now? Read that. Can you tell me what is the meaning of whipped? Don't say whipped. Whipped. What is the meaning of that? Have you seen the meaning? Huh? Beating.
meeting.
Yeah, the strong wind bet on her face, like, okay, in the eyes. Come on. Whipped.
Whipped.
Whipped her head back and
Huh.
Try.
Whistle.
Read the spelling. Whistled.
Whistled in her eyes.
Whistled. That is whistled.
Whistled in her eyes. She could no longer feel. She is feeling longer. The giant felt touching.
The giant's feet.
The giant felt touching the ground. The giant felt like he is touching the floor.
She was not feeling like he's not touching the ground. He's just flying and flying. You can see there how the picture you can see better how he is going. A very long footstep he's taking. Yes, page number 12 you can see there. Okay,
Yes.
continue.
She had a gripped.
What is that? You didn't practice no Sanvi yesterday? Huh? Wade. That is Wade. Wade.
Wade. Screen station.
Wade. What is the meaning of Wade? Tell me the meaning also.
Ma'am, he is wearing.
Wade means supernatural. What is the meaning of Wade, children? Supernatural. He is running in the air. Very rarely he's touching the ground. Okay, continue.
Whether they were over land or sea, this giant had some sort of magic. The giant had some sort of magic.
The giant. Repeat it again. Not giant, it's giant. Tell.
The giant had some sort of magic in his legs. The giant, some of the magic in his legs. The wind
rushed. Don't say rushed, beta. It's rushed. Rushed.
Against Sophie's face. Become so strong that she had to duck down again into the blanket. She had to go again into the blanket to divide her head from beginning blow again.
So the wind rushing against Sophie's face became so strong that she had to duck down. Duck, I have told you in the first chapter what is the meaning of ducking. Do you remember, any one of you? Can you tell me the meaning now? Yeah, Lasya is ready. Yes, Lasya?
Ma'am.
Meaning of duck. It's not a bird, I said you.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the meaning. What happened? No one? Meaning of duck is bending down to avoid any hurt. Okay. So now next, whose turn now? Okay, Lasya's turn now. She's raising hand. Yes, Lasya.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Was it really possible that they were crossing ocean? Means the Sophia is wondering on the question mark. It certainly felt that way to Sophia. She couldn't in the
She crossed
in the blanket and listened to the howling of the wind.
Crouched. What is the meaning of crouched?
Crouched.
Huh. What is the meaning of cross? Tell me. Adopt a position where the knees are bent. Okay. And the upper body is brought forward and down. Adopt a position.
Adopt
Like adopting a
position.
position, beta. Like where the knees are bent. Knees are bent
Bend.
and the upper body is brought forward.
Right.
Shall I show you how?
Yes, ma'am.
Crouch. Yes? Like this.
Yes.
Upper body is bent forward and bending. Okay?
Okay,
What
ma'am.
is the meaning of that now? Tell me. Crouch. About. Adopt. Sorry. Adopt.
Adopt
The position
a position
where the knees
bending
ah,
where the knees bend
and the upper body
in
is
a position
forward.
and the upper body is forward.
Okay, come on.
Crouched, she crouched in the blanket and listened to the howling of the wind. It went on her what seemed like her. She seeing now what seemed like her. What is happening outside in the heart.
Huh.
Then all at once the wind stopped it holding.
Hmm.
The wind stopped the wind stopped the holding.
Okay.
The place began to slow down. The place is beginning to slow down, slow down. Sophie could feel the giant feet pounding once on over the earth. That Sophia can feel the giant foot steps like
Giant feet pounding.
the sounding,
What is the meaning of pounding? Hitting.
hitting the ground.
Hitting something here. So
The
here
ground.
pounding means hitting. Once again over the earth.
Hitting
Hitting the ground. Okay.
ground. Yes, ma'am. Hitting the ground. Pounding once again. Once again means he's one more time he's pounding the ground over the earth. On the earth. She poked her
head.
She poked her head up and off the blanket to have a look.
Okay.
She took out the blanket and seeing. Have a look. She's poking her head and a blanket is up and she have a look outside of the window.
They were in country.
They were in country
of thick forest.
Of thick forest. They were in a country and thick forest and rushing river. She is in thick forest means the dark forest.
Yeah, okay. Thick
and
forest,
rushing
thick forest means there are so many trees together, which, okay, and that's the reason it is very dark. Come on.
Rushing river means floating river.
Okay.
The giant had
definitely slowed down.
Definitely slowed down and was now running more normally. Although normally was a silly word to use, describe a galloping giant.
Galloping.
Galloping giant.
What is the meaning of galloping?
Galloping means
Huh. Huh. The fastest pace of a horse. Okay.
the
Like fast, very fast, fast and fast giant. So it is very silly to use normal word to describe this fastest pace of giant. Okay. He leaped over. Come on.
over.
Fast, fast, children. Tell me, beta.
Giant.
Huh.
He leaped over a dozen rivers. He went riding through a great forest, then down into valley and up over range of hills and bars as concrete, and soon he was galloping over a desolate wasteland and was not quite on this earth.
Hmm. The ground
The
was
ground
flat. Huh.
was flat and plain, yellow. Great lumps of blue rock were
Hmm.
the flat. The land is so flat and slow, plain, and yellow color.
Hmm.
Great lumps of blue rock were. The rocks are so blue.
Hmm. Rocks were scattered around, and dead trees stood everywhere like skeletons. So, how are the trees here? Trees are looking like skeletons. Like skeletons. How skeletons will stand, children, without moving? Yeah, they cannot move here and there. So, in the same way, the trees also standing there. Okay, the moon had. Next, whose turn, beta? Whose turn?
Ma'am, can I mute?
Yes, you can mute yourself.
In the dark, shivering with fear.
1 second, Pranav. Pranav, start.
Footsteps
Next, Sai
moved
Kirtan
away.
is there. 1 second. Pranav, you have to wait once again. Sai Kirtan.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta. Little louder.
directly in front of them, lying against the side of the mountain, Sophie could see a round stone. Another side of the mountain, they saw a round stone, massive round stone. It was as big as a house. The stone is big like a house.
Huh.
The giant reached out and rolled that stone to one side as easily as if it had been a football.
Okay.
He moved like a football that rocked
Huh.
where the stone had ball, and now where the stone had been there appeared a vast black hole. When he pushed that stone aside, he saw a vast black hole. The hole was so large that Jane didn't even have to duck his head. As he went in, he went to the, he strode into the black hole. He went to the black hole, still carrying Sophie in one hand, the trumpet and the suitcase in the other. He is carrying Sophie and the trumpet and the suitcase.
Okay.
Ma'am, complete.
Very good. Next, Pranav.
Footsteps moved away. Sophie sat there in the dark, shivering and fear. She is getting ready to eat me. She told herself she will probably eat me raw just as I am.
He will no. He will probably can eat. Huh.
He will probably eat me raw just as I am.
Yes.
Or perhaps he will boil me first.
Hmm.
Boil means cooking.
Yes.
Or he will have me fried. He will drop me like a rasher of bacon into some gigantic
Gigantic.
frying pan.
Gigantic.
Gigantic frying pan,
Okay.
sizzling with fat. A blaze of light suddenly lit up the whole palace. Sophie blinked and started.
Blinked and started.
She
Blinked and
saw
started. That once again started, or what is that? Read STARED.
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 Huh.
She saw an enormous cavern with a high rocky roof. With a high rocky roof.
Hmm.
The
Yes.
walls on either side were lined with shelves, and on the shelves there stood row upon row
Of
glass
glass
jars.
jars. Huh. There were
There
jars
were-
everywhere.
There were jars everywhere. They were filled
Piled up.
piled up in the corners. They filled every nook and cranny
And cranny.
of the cranny of the
Cranny.
cave.
Cranny. Cranny.
Cranny.
What is the meaning of
Cranny.
cranny? Narrow space or opening. It's
Narrow space or opening
yes. Huh.
of the cave.
Huh.
In the middle of the floor